Hi everyone, so in this video I will analyze Neil Petter from That's Poet Society using Romanticism as a poetic tradition and Erik Erikson as a psychological theory. So I choose Neil because his story clearly showed the conflict between following your passion and following other people's expectation. So through his character, we we can better understand how freedom, self-expression, and identity are connected to both poetry and psychology. Neil Perry's stories show a desire for freedom and struggle for identity. Now let's define romanticism. Romanticism is a literary poetic tradition that focuses on emotion, imagination, individuality, freedom, and self-expression. It's valued the feelings and personal truth more than strict rule of society expectation. In a simple words, romanticism encourages people to follow their heart and live um, authentically. So this is important in that poet society because the film encouraged students to think freely, appreciate poetry, and discover who they really are. The psychological theory I will use is Erik Erikson identity versus role confusion. And according to Erik Erikson, teenagers always answer the question, who am I? And at this stage, young people begin to explore their interests, values, and future. But they are too pressured because of society and maybe family. So they may struggle to form their own identity. So this theory, I think it's fit for Neil very well because um, he trying to discover who is he, um, but his father keep controlling his choices. So I think it is fit for Neil. On one side, he is passionate, expressive, and deeply interested in acting, but his father is very strict and wants to control his future. And his father expects him to follow path based on discipline, obedience, and success. But um, but Neil's true self wants to something different. He wants freedom and expression. So this is the center conflict of his character, um, passion and pressure. So this moment is important because it shows Neil at his happiness, and while acting, he is confident, expressive, and fully alive. So acting becomes a way for him to show his true self, and this is clearly reflects romanticism because Neil is following his passion and expressing his identity through art. And another important thing is he confronts his father, and then Neil wants to choose his own future, but his father refuses him to let decide for himself. And because of this, Neil experienced identity crisis, and he trapped between who he truly is and who others wants to be him. So this makes his story deeply emotional and tragic. A poetic line that reflects Neil's journey is from Walt. So this line is meaningful because it suggests that every person has their own voice and purpose in life. But Neil, this idea is very important because he wants to contribute his own verse. So through acting, passion, and self-expression. But suddenly, he is not given the freedom to do that because of his father. And in conclusion, Neri Perry is a powerful example of how poem and psychology can help us understand a character more deeply. And through romanticism, we see his love for freedom, emotion, and passion. Through Erik Erikson's identity crisis, we understand his struggle to become his true self and under pressure from his father. And overall, um, Neil's story remind us that identity and self expression are very important, especially during youth.